You don't suck at improving or learning new things. You suck at how you practice them. Like an amateur who can't improve and stays stuck at their skill level. If you actually want to get better at anything, fast, you need to throw out everything you've been told about not being talented enough, or just practice more. Nonsense, because talent isn't your problem, your approach is. Think about the last time you tried to get better at something. Maybe you bought a guitar to play it like Jimi Hendrix. Maybe you went to the gym to become the next Mr. Olympia. Or maybe you wanted to write poems inspired by the writings of William Shakespeare. Great, but how did you practice improving them? You played the same 3 chords for months, did some random workouts with no plan, and sat down staring at blank pages. And then you repeated the same mistakes without fixing them, while convinced that doing something badly over and over is progress. Come to realize that not only you're not improving at all, but you're also building bad habits into your brain, which are hard to kill once they're there. Your brain grows by breaking, literally. Neurons fire, connections strengthen, and... You know what? Let's not get technical. You want to improve fast? Here's how in 3 simple steps. 1. Break the skill you want to improve into small pieces. Learn 1 micro skill at a time. Don't try to learn the guitar. Learn 1 chord progression or 1 riff until you can play it in your sleep. Don't get fit. Master push-ups or bench press until your form is perfect. 2. Get feedback. Record, measure, or track what you're doing. Review it, find your flaws, and work on fixing them. Look at athletes. They watch their replays. Musicians, they listen to their recordings. Writers, they get other people's opinions about their work. 3. Practice with intensity. 10 minutes of pure focus where you're fully locked in takes you further than 3 hours of lazy, distracted effort. That's it. The art of improving fast is simple. Stop lying to yourself that you're not gifted. Put in the work and watch how fast you can improve.